Hosting a virtual office hour can be daunting for some, especially if they are not sure which technology to use. Hello everyone! Today I will show you how to utilize MS Teams for your virtual office hours. Today we're going to learn how to do the following: how to create a session in MS Teams, also called New Meeting, how to get the link, this is the link we need to share with your students, how to add the link to your course, and how to share the link with your students. We are also going to look at how to use MS Teams to collaborate during your office hours. And finally, understand MS Teams features so you can use them to enhance your meetings. Let's take a look at what is MS Teams. Microsoft Teams is a messaging app used widely by organizations like Dallas College for real-time collaboration, communication, meeting, file, and app sharing. Now that you know a little more about MS Teams, let's take a look at some of the requirements in order to use MS Teams to work properly. For MS Teams to work seamlessly, you have to use either one of the two recommended browsers, Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge. There are two ways to get the app. First is by going to myapps.dccd.edu, and this will automatically direct you to your Dallas College My Apps area. If you were previously logged in, then you don't have to log in, but if you're not, then you will have to type in your credentials. Scroll all the way to the bottom and find MS Teams, click it, and follow the on-screen instructions to download it. The other way that you can get the apps is by going directly to Microsoft Teams website. Using the current browser that you have, search for MS Teams download. Select download for desktop, and your browser will automatically detect and it will give you the specific version of the app for your computer. So if you're using Mac, it will give you the Mac version. If you're using Windows, then this will give you the Windows version. It is recommended to download the app to take advantage of all the features if you plan to use MS Teams for your virtual office hours. Now that you have downloaded the app on your computer, let's go ahead and schedule a meeting using the calendar. Select Calendar on the left menu, then select New Meeting. This will open the new meeting details. Type the title of your virtual office hours. And I recommend adding an attendee, and that way it's easy for you to find the link in your calendar. Select the date. The time. You also have the option to set the virtual office hours as a recurring event. So we can select that here. Let's say for Tuesday and Thursday. Then we're going to select the end date. Select Save. Channel and locations are optional, but I recommend adding a little bit of information or description in the body of meeting details. Once you're done adding the details, select Send. MS Teams calendar is in sync with your Outlook, so if you're using the Outlook calendar, it will also add a link to your calendar. Let's proceed and customize the meeting options. Let's go back to MS Teams. Find the virtual office hours that you set up, select it, and select Edit. And since this is a series, we're going to select this option. Now, if this is a single virtual office hour, then you can select this one. Find the meeting options And from here, you have the different meeting options that you can specify for this link. For example, who can bypass the lobby? You can select everyone, allow microphone for your students. When you're done, go ahead and click save, and that will automatically update in your calendar.